There was once a young man named Daniel. He lived in a small town with his parents. Daniel had a big dream. He wanted to become successful and make his family proud. But life was not easy for him. From a young age, Daniel struggled in school. He tried to study hard, but he could not understand many lessons. His classmates laughed at him. Even some teachers said, "Daniel is not smart enough." Those words hurt him deeply. After finishing school, Daniel wanted to find a job. He went to many places, but every time the answer was the same. "Sorry, you are not qualified." Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. Daniel started losing hope. One day, he decided to start a small business. He used all his savings. At first, he was excited. He believed this was his chance. But sadly, the business failed. He lost all his money. Now, Daniel felt completely broken. People in his town started talking about him. "Look at Daniel. He always fails. He will never succeed." Even his close friend told him, "Maybe success is not for you. You should stop trying." That night, Daniel sat alone in his small room. It was quiet. He looked at his hands and thought about his life. Tears came into his eyes. He asked himself, "Why is my life like this? Why do I always fail?" For a moment, he wanted to give up. He thought about stopping everything. But then a small voice inside him said, "Try one more time." Daniel closed his eyes. He remembered his parents. They always believed in him. Slowly he stood up. And at that moment, he made a powerful decision. "I will not give up." The next day, Daniel started again. But this time he changed his mindset. He did not look for quick success. Instead, he decided to improve himself. He started waking up early every morning. He read books. He watched educational videos. He practiced speaking English every day. At first it was difficult. He made many mistakes, but he did not stop. Day by day he improved. He became more confident. Months passed. One day, Daniel saw a small job opportunity online. It was not a big job. The salary was low, but he applied anyway. This time, something different happened. He got the job. Daniel was very happy. He worked harder than anyone else. He was always on time. He learned quickly. His boss noticed him. After some time, Daniel got a better position. His salary increased. People who laughed at him before started respecting him. But Daniel did not forget his past. He continued learning. He continued growing. After 1 year, Daniel started his own business again. But this time he was smarter. He used his experience. He made better decisions. And slowly, his business became successful. One day, Daniel stood in front of his house. He looked at the sky and smiled. He remembered all the failures. He remembered all the pain. And he realized something important. Success did not come from luck. It came from not giving up. Ending. So remember this. You may fail many times. People may laugh at you. Life may be difficult. But never give up, because one decision can change your life forever. What would you do in Daniel's place? Would you give up or try again? Comment your answer below.